Well, hi. Okay, it's summer, and as most people are aware, when it's summer, interior cars get hot. See that? That's a car. It's hot. An infant or a toddler left in a hot car can injure or kill that kid in a very short amount of time, within an hour or so. So, the car manufacturers are saying that they're having trouble building a sensor design that can tell if there's a child in the car. Well, that's not the problem. They're working on the wrong problem. The car can't do anything if there's a child in the car. There's not a thing that the car can do. It's the driver that needs to know if there's a child in the car. So that's where I start. If we design the system so that under the hood there's a key switch, and that key switch says it's either on or off. If the system is turned off under the hood, then it's as if the car has no child protection at all. Okay. If it's on, now the car is armed to detect whether it should alert the driver to the possibility of a child being in the vehicle. And the way this works is that once the ignition is turned off, when the passenger door is opened, there's a switch that says this, or the driver's door is open. There's a switch that says your driver's door is open. The car already has that. And it also knows when the door is closed. So we can use that. That switch is already there. If the door is closed with the ignition switch off, that means that somebody exited the vehicle, generally. Now the question is, did they check to see if there's a child in the car? Okay, the way that works is that when you close that door, it starts a timer. And that timer is set to about 30 to 45 seconds. And once that timer starts, you have 30 to 45 seconds to open up the door and push a button. The button would be right in here. Right in here, where the child probably isn't going to get to it, but you can't get to it from the driver's side. So you have to actually go and check and push that button. Once you push that button, it signals that you checked. So now we know. Yeah, there's no child in the car. I already checked. The car knows you checked because you told it you checked. If there's a child in the car, you checked. If you did not check, you don't know if there's a child in the car or not because you didn't check. So 30 to 45 seconds after that driver's door is closed, this car is going to go apeshit. It's going to start honking the horn with an SOS pattern and flashing the lights. If you didn't check, somebody will come check. The car manufacturers are saying that it's impossible, that they don't know how to do it. They're trying to solve the wrong problem. The correct problem is the driver needs to know. The driver needs to check, not the car. The driver needs to check if there's a child in the vehicle. And that's all this does. Thank you.